Welcome to ITV Gold Tax Corner. My name is Ajay Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA. Today we'll talk about qualified versus non-qualified charities. Do you know not all charities are qualified by IRS to be tax deductible charity? Today in this episode we'll talk about what is a qualified charity. What's the qualification around a charity? Did you know that sending money to India, even if you're sending it to a qualified charity over there, is not tax deductible? Let's look at the details over here. What can you deduct? Any cash donation to a qualified US charity. And remember, you can check the charitable status for all these charities on a website that's maintained by IRS. A lot of charities loses their status of being the qualified charity in 3 years if they don't file the taxes. But going back to the deductions here, for you, all the cash donations, anything that you donate in kind, like kind donation, say if you were to donate food, supplies, clothing, at the market value, they're classified as charitable donation. How about the stocks? If you donate appreciated stocks, you get the benefit at the market value. Consider an example here. You bought a stock for $10. Now this stock is worth $50. If you donate the stock, you get the benefit of $50 as opposed to selling the stock and then donating the money. If you sell the stock first, you have to pay capital gain taxes, short term or long term, but capital gain taxes nonetheless, $40, and then you get the deduction. As opposed to selling the stock first and then donating, you donate the appreciated stock. So you get the tax benefit, the higher value, the market value, and you don't have to pay the capital gain taxes. Other examples, if you have to donate clothing, try to get the market valuation first. There is a fair market value calculation that a lot of companies will do for you, especially for the heritage items. If you inherited some items, some painting, something that has higher value, you want to get a valuation done beforehand. The key here is all these charitable donations have to be contemporaneous in nature. What does this word contemporaneous means over here? You have to remember that the valuation, the receipt, has to be dated at the time of donation. You can't really say, I can get the receipt if the need be. Say if you were to donate a painting that's worth $10,000, you have to have the valuation dated prior year. At the time of claiming the expense, you must have the receipt with the valuation on that receipt, with the fair market value written on the receipt. If you don't have a contemporaneous receipt, you are not allowed the donation. Now, we talked about the Indian charities. How do you donate money to the Indian charity if they are not registered over here? In that case, that donation technically is not tax deductible. But if you donate money to a charity over here, which is donating money to your preferred charity, in that case, you can make that donation charitable, you can make the donation tax deductible by donating this money to a local charity which will donate on your behalf to the Indian charity. If you have any question, please email akumar@sciCPAservices.com. Again, the email address is akumar@sciCPAservices.com. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.